I brought accessories.
Wait to the microphone.
Also, sometimes I talk really loud.
Not loud enough.
On the microphone the whole time, it's the radio.
Shout out to our host, Gabby, who's got gummy bears on her shirt. It's the motherfucking Moth. Apparently you aren't as excited as I am right now. I have issues, guys. Apparently the way I'm dressed, I cook for a living. I made some notes at some point. I'm gonna refer to my notes because my greatest issue is I talk too much. You guys know Yes Chef. I know Heard. I know We. I know We Chef. I know Oído. I know Caliente. I know Quemo. That means burnt. Caliente is hot. Quemo's like I already burnt you. I know Behind. I know Corner. That means if I'm over there and you're over here and I can't see you, before I turn that corner, probably with a hotel pan, with like lamb shanks that just came out of the oven, I'm gonna yell corner. If you haven't figured it out by now, motherfuckers, because we're in Miami-Dade County, which all of a sudden went fucking red, what happened to us all? Thank you. Your laughter says it all. So we're a little slow. I'll introduce myself. My name is Chef Jeremiah. I tried to get away with Chef Jeremiah like I was fucking Prince or Madonna. And everyone was like, what's your last name? And as a small child, my daddy always sang to me, Jeremiah was a bullfrog. Dun-dun-dun. So there that is. I'm gonna refer to my notes, excuse me for my rookiness. Shout out to Barbie who killed it. Yeah, no, I'm gonna just, like one real quick, I'm just gonna take a peek, Gabby. So you think it's a statement, it's really a lifestyle. I wear this gear, fit check. I've got my Tillet apron on. I wear sunglasses because it's bright outside. The headband, although it may look cool and rock and roll, it's really because I sweat a lot. Shout out to my sponsor, Air Force Ones, Momofuku Peach Edition. Those are limited edition. I'm not a sneakerhead. They're just really comfortable. So I could communicate in like 26 different countries, but only in kitchens, right? Because we all speak the same language. I once worked with this dude in Dallas. He knew like three words of Spanish. It was like, una cerveza, por favor. And then he would whistle the rest like, and then like a bilingual bird, like the beer would just appear for the guy. So you may notice I wear all black. It's like my soul after all these years in the dungeons, in the kitchens, working for hip hop moguls. A president or two. And then this one time I cooked for this Middle Eastern Saudi prince who, I shit you not, I had to count the raisins before they touched his oatmeal every morning. It was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breakfast is served. Remember, folks, in these kitchens, it's not the guys wearing the starchy white coats who run the world, who feed you every day. It's dishwashers. It's the guys behind the scenes working hard, sweating their asses off that make this food world go round. And so as I wrap up my time here until the harmonica blows and it's probably off key, because she's an NPR producer and she whispers for a living, I'd like to just do a little call and response to the crowd. When I call the order, I just need you to tell me heard. It might be yes, chef in your world and in NPR's world, but in my world, in these crazy kitchens, if I don't hear you say heard, it's like you never existed. So without further ado, I'm not touching the mic or the gaff tape on this fancy microphone, but I'm just gonna go ahead and call out order fire, 3 steaks medium rare, 1 salmon, 2 salads. Y'all are a little slow, let's try it again. I need that halibut on table 30, it's dying. There's a diabetic who ordered gluten-free. Still a little slow, what is it, Tuesday?
Everybody give it up for Jeremiah!
Stop yelling at me!
Stop yelling at me! Hey, Connect Story Center. Zach Galifianakis, everybody.